Hi, it's Dave Hughes from Mobile Signal Solutions again. Today we're actually going to do a follow-on topic to our hugely successful video, which talked about illegal amplifiers in the UK. So if you like what you see here, be sure to share, be sure to like and join our community. So people have been asking me, what do I do? I've got an amplifier that looks just like what you described. So first thing you do is send us a picture, okay? What we'll do is we'll get an engineer to call out to you guys and we'll do an assessment. Now, is it all bad news? No. The amplifier itself, you have to replace. There's nothing you can do. That is highly illegal. That's where the year of prison and unlimited fine is. But the good news is a huge amount of the disruptive cabling down the corridors into the offices, under the different floors, you can keep. So the cable like this, which is used in an illegal amplifier, is actually the same cable that we can use in a 100% legal one. It's passive equipment. So this we can keep, which means you're going to reduce the cost of the actual install and more importantly, any disruption to the people in the buildings. The outdoor areas, they will most likely be okay and they tend again to be passive. We may swap them out depending on the condition, but by and large, you can use them again. The indoor antennas will be fine. So if you've got antennas like this that are hidden in the ceiling or it's been plastered over or are in their walls, they'll continue to broadcast. So it's pretty good. I suppose we use a higher premium type antenna. So our antennas tend to be these ones versus these are the ones that tend to be in other kind of non-compliant systems. So where we can, we'll swap it out. But the real good news is we're here to help, okay? Most of your network, the distribution antenna system, is 100% passive and legal and can be left alone. So the only cost you really have is the main amplifiers. We'll swap that out, we'll give you an estimate, and we'll do a maintenance for you from here on out with remote diagnostics, everything you need. So don't worry, contact us, sales@mobilesignalsolutions.co.uk. If you do have an illegal amp, we will help you get it fixed. Okay, take it easy, be sure to share and like. Bye-bye.